Church politics can get pretty heated, but what happens when the battle actually makes it onto the stage? Well, Pure Theater is kicking off its 24th season with a world premiere written by local playwright and our guest, Fred Thompson. It is also directed by the theater's co-director and founder, Sharon Graci. Thank you so much for joining us.
My pleasure.
So tell us a bit more about Church Wars.
Well, you know, if you were a student and your English teacher told you to go to a play and write an essay on it, you would say, well, it's a Shakespearean farce, it has an absurd premise, it has physical humor, it's fast, it checks all the blocks. You could even write an essay about hidden, what we'd like to keep hidden from the public, and a public persona versus a private hidden wants and needs and desires.
Indeed, yeah.
You could do all that analysis, but I think that would be wrong. I think you'd miss the point.
Interesting.
It's fun. It's
what was the inspiration for the story?
Oh, the story was, I would sit and listen to my wife many years ago involved in a church cookbook. And I would sit and I would say, boy, what a wonderful setup. It's an ensemble. Every character has a point of view, and one of the things I wrote into the play, I put in my rice salad recipe.
Oh, you did?
And lo and behold, the doggone committee rejected it. And I said, well, doggone it, I'm going to get my revenge.
Good for you.
Well,
I think the audience that buys tickets and watches this play, they're going to have a pad of paper and a pen ready so that they can write down all the ingredients. Well, speaking of ingredients, what are the ingredients to writing a clever and imaginative play that sticks with people after they leave the theater?
Ooh, you should be asking somebody who's got more plays under their belt. All I can say is that I try to find interesting characters and give them words that make sense if coming from real people, and everything I write always ends up spinning into sort of an absurd situation. If I start out trying to write a heart attack serious expose of something, it ends up being a food fight at the end.
What got you started?
Well, I could go into it in a huge way, but I did a silent auction bid at Pure Theater. They bid a 10-minute play that you write and you could direct, and the core company would put it on.
Yeah.
And nobody was bidding on that item, so I bid on it, and lo and behold, I won. And I laughed because I think the winning bid was like $200.
Oh, goodness.
And I just laughed. I said, poor Sharon Graci. She's going to have to bring the whole core theater in and do this entire thing for this dumb guy.
Oh, stop it.
And
you sell yourself short. You're very self-deprecating.
$200. And so we never did that. But the core of that skit was going to be Lee Atwater meets his maker, and that's where it flowed from.
That's where it flowed from.
There you go.
What is your day job?
Oh, I'm a member at Motley Rice, which is a law firm in
Yes,
Mount
of course.
Pleasant. Yeah.
Oh, good. So this is your creative outlet.
As a matter of fact, there's a huge downside to being on your show. I want to reassure my partners that I am on the job thinking about.
Of course you are.
Thinking about business 99.9% of the time. And this takes like 4 seconds a day. So.
I think your clients understand.
Yeah.
Church Wars, this is by our guest, Fred Thompson. This is going to premiere August 28th through September 19th at the Cannon Street Arts Center. So make sure you get some tickets and head out and see some wonderful local talent. Great to have you with us. We'll be back after this.